In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and expand your chart of accounts to meet your business needs. Navigating your accounting software and customizing your chart of accounts can seem daunting. However, with this easy-to-follow guide, you'll have the skills and confidence to tailor your accounting system efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner or an accounting professional, mastering this task will undoubtedly enhance your financial management capabilities. Let's begin by launching your accounting software. Once you're logged in, navigate to the section labeled Accounting. This is your central hub for all things related to your company's finances. Within this section, look for an option labeled Chart of Accounts. This area is where you can view, manage, and modify the financial accounts used to classify and organize your transactions. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts, you may be considering creating new accounts to better reflect your business activities. To do this, find and click on the New button. This action opens a form or template specifically designed for adding a new account. Here, it's crucial to ensure that each account you create is clearly categorized. This categorization typically falls into main types such as assets, liabilities, income, and expenses. Selecting the appropriate category helps ensure that your financial reporting is accurate and meaningful. At this point, brainstorm what additional accounts you need. Think about the unique aspects of your business. Are there specific income streams or expense categories that haven't been captured yet? Once you have identified new accounts you need, proceed to fill out the account name field. Be descriptive to avoid any confusion later on. For example, instead of simply naming an account supplies, consider adding more details such as office supplies or production supplies. After naming, it's time to decide on the account type. This will usually correspond to the main categories like asset or expense. Choosing the right type is vital because it affects how transactions are recorded and reported in your financial statements. When filling out the fields, ensure all necessary details, such as account numbers, are provided. Account numbers aren't mandatory in some systems, but incorporating them can enhance your organization, particularly if you deal with a large volume of accounts. Once all the necessary fields are completed, thoroughly review the information for accuracy. Double-checking here can save you from headaches down the road. When you're satisfied, click the Save or Add button and you've successfully added a new account to your chart of accounts. Remember, maintaining an accurate and comprehensive chart of accounts is an ongoing task. Regularly review your accounts to ensure that they continue to align with your business processes and objectives. Keep everything organized neatly, and you'll find that your financial management becomes not just more manageable, but also more insightful. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.